So I'm going to show a very quick overview of the new property system and see how we can use it to do changes all at once. So I'm going to go to File, New here. I'm just going to create a new empty planet space. And I'm just going to create three objects here, a box, a sphere, and a cylinder. So in this case, let's say we have a very simple case. I want to change each object's cast shadows property. But I want to do it all by controlling a single property. So notice that each one of these I can set it manually, this cast shadow to true false. But now what I want to do is I want to create a single property that I can just affect all three at the same time, and that's where the properties come into play. So I'm going to right click on my library, I'm going to create a new bool property. This matches the same type as the property that we want to change. And then I'm just going to drag and drop it and assign it to each one of these, the cast shadows properties of each of these objects. So now when I go into my centralized property, as I change the value, all three are now changing. So it gives us the ability to kind of centralize changes in a single place. Another thing we might want to do is we can animate it using a signal property. So I can animate this centralized property here using a signal, and I'm going to create a new random signal. So now when I hit play, this property is being animated by the signal, and they're all being changed at the same time. Another thing we can do is I'm going to remove that signal, and I'm now going to add a new key track. And we can keyframe this property. So I'm going to keyframe it with the second one being false here. So hit play, and then it's false and then true. So we can also animate that property. And lastly, the other thing we might want to do is create a script and change that property in script. And so to do that, I'm just going to create a trigger plane here. When something rolls through this, it will call some script. And I'm going to create the script here. In this case, we're going to take this property we created, drag and drop it in here. And then I'm going to call the set value function. So I'm going to say bool set value is equal to false. So it's going to set that value to false, but through script. So now if I roll something through this trigger on play, it will set them all to false at the same time. So you can also create all the other types of properties, ints, reals, depending on the value you're trying to update. You can do a different property. All the different types are represented here, and so hopefully the system kind of gives you the ability to bundle together one change to affect lots of different changes at once, to kind of give you a centralized location to do that. So I hope this is interesting. Thanks for watching.